Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to reset app preferences on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to reset app preferences on your Android device can be helpful for troubleshooting various issues with applications. It allows you to reset settings such as permissions, default apps, and background data restrictions back to their factory default. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter to the settings on your device. So now scroll down the page and select System option. Okay, next you can choose Reset Phone option and then select the second one, Reset App Preferences. Okay, so here click Reset Apps below. Okay, so now the app preferences on your device is successfully resetted. Well, that's the tutorial on how to reset app preferences on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.